Hello guys, come let's braid my friend's hair. So today we are doing knotless braid. Keep it locked and see how easy it is. So we usually start with the actual hair. We part it in 3 strands and braid it first. Then we'll go on adding the braid until you feel like this is the size that your client wants according to her. Maybe she wants a medium, And as you can see, it's really easy. It's something that you can do back at home. You can try it maybe on your sister, maybe on your child. It's really So guys, wait for the end result and you rate it out of 10 in the comment section. And also subscribe guys, so that I